What if everything you thought you knew about the universe was wrong? What if the greatest discoveries of our time were hidden in plain sight, waiting for someone bold enough to see beyond the surface? And what if I told you that one of the most visionary minds of all time, Nikola Tesla, had already unlocked these secrets over a century ago? Tesla, a name that is synonymous with groundbreaking inventions and revolutionary ideas, lived a life that transcended mere scientific discovery. While we know him as the father of alternating current, AC, his influence stretches far beyond electricity. He was a man who sought to understand the very fabric of reality, and in doing so, he challenged conventional thinking about the universe itself. Tesla's inventions, such as the Tesla coil, the induction motor, and wireless transmission of power, have shaped the modern world in ways we continue to benefit from today. But there was another side to Tesla, a side that believed that energy, not matter, was the true essence of the universe. A side that saw the universe as a living organism and energy as its heartbeat. As we explore Tesla's ideas, we'll uncover the profound implications of his work on energy, consciousness, and the very nature of reality. But first, we need to understand what Tesla believed about the fundamental nature of the universe. And in doing so, we might just discover that the key to unlocking the greatest mysteries of the cosmos was always within our grasp. Imagine a time when science believed that space was filled with an invisible substance, an energy field that connected everything in the universe. This field, known as the ether, was once a cornerstone of scientific theory. But then came Albert Einstein's theory of relativity, which dismissed the ether as unnecessary, replacing it with the concept of empty space. But Tesla, whose genius was both ahead of his time and rooted in profound intuition, didn't agree. He believed the ether was real, a living energy field that permeates all space, the medium through which energy and information flows. It wasn't just empty space, it was alive with energy. In fact, Tesla argued that the ether was the very substance through which all energy in the universe could be transmitted. Tesla didn't just stop at this idea, he proposed that the ether could be tapped into to provide free wireless energy. Imagine a world where energy flows freely through the ether, where wireless power is the norm, and where we are no longer bound by the limitations of material energy sources. As we dive deeper into Tesla's mind, we encounter one of his most famous quotes. "If you want to find the secrets of the universe, think in terms of energy, frequency, and vibration." These words, though simple, are profound. They suggest that the universe is not a static, lifeless place, but a dynamic, vibrating organism. Every particle, every atom, every star, everything, vibrates at its own frequency. And Tesla believed that understanding these frequencies, these vibrations, was the key to unlocking the true nature of reality. But Tesla didn't just see the universe as a series of vibrating particles. He saw energy as the force that binds everything together, an invisible force that connects us to the stars and the earth beneath our feet. The key to understanding the universe, according to Tesla, wasn't just about studying matter. It was about understanding the underlying energy that makes up all things. And this brings us to a concept that's as mind-boggling as it is revolutionary. The idea that everything is energy. What if the atoms that make up your body, the stars in the sky, and the air you breathe were all just different expressions of the same energy? What if we could tap into that energy and harness it to do things we've only dreamed of? This idea, that everything is energy, challenges the very foundation of our understanding of the universe. It suggests that the world we experience is just one layer of reality, a reality that's much richer, more interconnected, and more alive than we can see with our eyes. And it's this hidden reality that Tesla spent his life trying to uncover. Now here's where things get really interesting and surprising. Imagine being told that the very energy we rely on to power our homes, charge our phones, and light our cities has a consciousness. Yes, you read that right. Energy might not just be a passive force, but an active, living entity, aware of itself and its surroundings. This is one of Tesla's most startling ideas, that the ether, this invisible medium that connects all things, is more than just a conduit for energy. It's a living, breathing force imbued with consciousness. Tesla believed that by tapping into the ether, we could unlock not just unlimited energy, but a higher understanding of consciousness itself. This isn't just about creating better technology. It's about creating a better humanity, one that lives in harmony with the natural forces of the universe. Could this be the key to unlocking the next stage in human evolution? Could tapping into this energy allow us to transcend our current limitations and reach new levels of understanding and consciousness? Tesla thought so. And if we can learn to harness the ether, perhaps we too will be able to tap into the higher powers of the universe. One of Tesla's most ambitious and, in some ways, most controversial ideas was the concept of wireless energy. Tesla didn't just want to power the world with traditional energy sources like coal, gas, or even nuclear power. No, Tesla dreamed of a world where energy was transmitted wirelessly, through the air, through the ether itself. This might sound like science fiction, but Tesla believed it was entirely possible. He envisioned a world where energy flowed freely, where we could tap into the natural energy of the Earth and the cosmos, and where electricity was as abundant and accessible as the air we breathe. In his most famous experiment, the Wardenclyffe Tower, Tesla attempted to transmit wireless power across great distances, tapping into the ether to send energy into the air and across the globe. While the project was never completed, Tesla's vision for a world powered by wireless energy remains a powerful idea, one that continues to inspire modern scientists and engineers to this day. But Tesla didn't just want wireless energy for convenience or technological advancement. He wanted it because he believed it was the key to freeing humanity from the constraints of materialism. Wireless energy would allow us to live in harmony with the Earth, to harness the energy of the cosmos, and to unlock a future where energy was abundant, sustainable, and available to all. Tesla's contributions to science and technology are nothing short of extraordinary, but his legacy goes beyond his inventions. Tesla was a visionary, a man who saw the world in ways that most of us could never imagine. He believed that the universe was not just a collection of objects and forces. It was a living, breathing organism connected by the energy that flowed through it. And this, in many ways, is Tesla's greatest gift to humanity, his ability to see the world not as it is, but as it could be. His ideas about energy, frequency, and vibration have inspired generations of scientists, engineers, and thinkers to look beyond the obvious and explore the hidden forces that govern our universe. But perhaps Tesla's greatest legacy lies in the question he posed to us all. What if everything we thought we knew about the universe was wrong? What if the key to understanding everything lies not in matter, but in energy? As we reach the end of this journey through Tesla's mind, one thing becomes clear. His vision was not just about science, it was about the future of humanity. A future where we live in harmony with the natural forces of the universe, where we harness the power of the cosmos to elevate our lives and consciousness. So the question remains, are we ready to unlock the secrets Tesla discovered over a century ago? Are we ready to tap into the energy that flows through the universe and use it to create a better world? The answers may be closer than we think. Perhaps, just perhaps, the key to understanding the universe is hidden in plain sight, waiting for someone bold enough to see it. Thank you for joining me on this journey. If you found this exploration of Tesla's vision inspiring, be sure to like, share, and subscribe for more deep dives into the mysteries of the universe. Remember, the future is energy, and the universe is waiting for us to tap into it.